Okay, today I'll be reviewing the Liquid Death Mango Chainsaw Sparkling Water. I was on sale, so I bought it, as well as this Cheetos Flaming Hot Sweet Carolina Reaper. And let's give it a go. If you're wondering why it's already opened, I give some to me mom before I drink it. Okay. I normally don't like sparkling water because I want sugar in it. This has a little bit, so we'll see if I like it better. It's not bad, but I will say it's better than regular sparkling water because it has like 4 grams of sugar. It says it has a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of mango flavor. It's like someone how would you describe it? It's like the water looked at a mango and then it got a little bit of mango flavoring, but just a whiff. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay. Let's try one of these chips now. Okay. It's it has a little bit of kick and some sweetness compared to a regular hot Cheeto, but I was expecting a little bit more heat. It's a Carolina Reaper, and this is more like a mild pepper. My spice tolerance is pretty okay, but yeah, it's starting to build up a little bit, and not bad. I'm still looking for something that's actually spicy. If it's as spicy, so far, I've only had one thing that was like spicy enough to give me problems, and that was Korean chicken at this place called BBQ, and yeah, that was the first time. This is a nice heat though. It's not like painfully spicy. It just there's a little bit of warmth that builds up after you eat it. So I don't know how they did it, but it's actually pretty good. Alright, that's gonna be it.